Looking for a reliable way to earn $10 a day from the comfort of your home? Look no further. We've compiled a list of 5 websites that are perfect for beginners like you, offering simple and accessible opportunities to make money online. 1. Microworkers. Microworkers is an excellent starting point for anyone interested in completing small online tasks. From data entry to surveys and website testing, this user-friendly platform connects you with businesses and individuals who need assistance. With its vast array of available tasks, Microworkers offers a quick and easy way to earn money. 2. Remotasks. If you're tech-savvy and enjoy tasks like image annotation, data categorization, or AI training, Remotasks is the perfect fit. This platform provides specialized tasks that require human intelligence, contributing to the development of cutting-edge technologies. Engage in challenging opportunities while earning money on Remotasks. 3. Toloka. Toloka, powered by Yandex, a leading search engine, is an excellent platform for performing small online tasks. Tasks include image and text classification, sentiment analysis, and content moderation. With clear instructions and an intuitive interface, Toloka is beginner-friendly, allowing you to start earning money right away. 4. ClickWorker. For flexible online work, ClickWorker is an ideal choice. Whether it's data entry, content creation, or web research, this platform offers a variety of tasks. ClickWorker allows you to work at your own pace, making it perfect for beginners who want to earn money on their own schedule. 5. Rev. If you possess excellent language skills, consider joining Reverend, specializing in transcription, captioning, and translation services. Rev offers competitive pay rates and a straightforward application process. With a steady flow of projects, you can earn money while refining your linguistic abilities. These websites provide convenient opportunities for beginners to earn $10 a day from home. Whether you're a student in need of pocket money or someone looking for a side hustle, these platforms offer diverse tasks that can help you achieve your financial goals. Start your journey to financial freedom today with these fantastic websites. Visit the links in the description below to sign up for these incredible websites. If you enjoyed the content and found value in it, I kindly ask you to hit that like button. Your engagement helps me reach a wider audience and encourages me to create more videos like this. Thank you.